Barcelona, a captivating city on Spain's northeastern coast, is a vibrant hub of culture, history, and Mediterranean charm. Known for its stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and lively atmosphere, Barcelona offers an unforgettable experience for every visitor. From the iconic Sagrada Familia to the bustling La Rambla, Barcelona is a city best explored on foot. The city's unique blend of ancient and modern architecture creates a captivating contrast, reflecting its rich history and progressive spirit. Barcelona's location on the Mediterranean coast gives it a unique charm, with beautiful beaches, a pleasant climate, and a relaxed atmosphere. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or simply soaking up the Mediterranean sun, Barcelona has something to offer everyone. Barcelona is an architectural wonderland, home to some of the world's most iconic structures. The Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudí's unfinished masterpiece, is a testament to the city's artistic spirit. Its towering spires and intricate facades draw visitors from around the globe. Park Güell, another of Gaudí's creations, offers a whimsical escape with its colorful mosaics, serpentine benches, and panoramic city views. This whimsical park showcases Gaudí's unique style and his integration of nature into his designs. La Rambla, Barcelona's most famous street, is a bustling pedestrian boulevard filled with street performers, flower stalls, and lively cafes. This iconic street is a microcosm of Barcelona's energy and vibrancy. Barcelona's history spans over 2,000 years, leaving behind a rich tapestry of cultures and influences. Founded by the Romans, the city has been ruled by various empires, each leaving their mark on its architecture and culture. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow, winding streets and medieval buildings, offers a glimpse into Barcelona's medieval past. This historic neighborhood is home to the Barcelona Cathedral, a stunning example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Barcelona's rich history is also reflected in its many museums, including the Picasso Museum, which houses a vast collection of the artist's early works. From Roman ruins to medieval masterpieces, Barcelona's history is etched into its streets and buildings. Section 4. A Taste of Barcelona. Barcelona's culinary scene is a delicious fusion of traditional Catalan flavors and modern culinary innovations. Tapas, small plates meant for sharing, are a must-try. These bite-sized delights offer a taste of everything from patatas bravas or spicy potatoes to fresh seafood. Paella, a saffron-infused rice dish, is another Spanish classic that originated in the Valencia region but is widely enjoyed in Barcelona. From seafood paella to vegetarian options, this flavorful dish is a true taste of Spain. Barcelona is also home to a thriving food market culture, with La Boqueria being the most famous. This bustling market offers a sensory overload of fresh produce, seafood, meats, cheeses, and local delicacies. Section 5. Festivals and Celebrations. Barcelona knows how to celebrate, with a year-round calendar of festivals and events. Immerse Festival, the city's biggest annual celebration, takes place in September and features parades, concerts, fireworks, and traditional Catalan traditions. The Festa Major de Gràcia, held in August, transforms the Gràcia neighborhood into a magical wonderland with elaborately decorated streets and a vibrant festive atmosphere. This unique festival showcases the creativity and community spirit of Barcelona's neighborhoods. Throughout the year, Barcelona hosts numerous music festivals, art exhibitions, and cultural events, ensuring there's always something exciting to experience. Whether you're interested in music, art, or traditional celebrations, Barcelona's calendar is always full. Section 6. The Soul of Barcelona. Barcelona's vibrant culture is a fusion of Catalan pride, artistic expression, and a laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. The city is home to a thriving art scene, with numerous theaters, art galleries, and street art installations. Barcelona's people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love for their city. Their passion for life is contagious, making visitors feel instantly welcome. From its architectural marvels to its culinary delights and vibrant culture, Barcelona offers a sensory feast that lingers long after you've left. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Barcelona is a city that will captivate your heart and leave you longing to return.